If your LG refrigerator is not dispensing ice anymore, you're going to want to check a couple things. Pop open your left door, find the little side compartment where you can get at your ice container. See if there's a bunch of ice maybe clumped up. You can break it apart with a chopstick. If not, if there's ice in your tray and it's not dumping it, cycle your power on and off using that little switch. That may free up a stuck tray. Take your tray out, examine it, make sure there's nothing blocking the hole. You can also use the test button that LG has provided. So on your left-hand side, just look underneath and there's a little arrow to a little white button. If you hold down that button, that will force your tray to dump upside down completely, emptying out whatever's in there and maybe also freeing up whatever may be stuck. Make sure you do have a bowl or something underneath. Otherwise, it's going to end up on your floor like mine did. Once it finishes its cycle, you can make sure that water then pours into your tray, so there's not something wrong with your water supply. If all of this is working as mine did, but still not continually adding ice, like it's not doing this automatically, it's likely because your refrigerant, so the 134 refrigerant in your refrigerator is low, and your refrigerator and your freezer are not the temperature they should be. Get a thermometer. I bought one that had two sensors, one for the fridge, one for the freezer. Stick them in and make sure that they're actually the temperature, at least close to what you've been setting it at. LG, that refrigerator and freezer will not run the ice cube maker if it's below a certain threshold. I think it's around minus 10 Celsius. It just stops making continual ice cubes. So I had mine checked, and indeed it was low. Once the refrigerant was topped up, again with 134, everything started to work, and now it's been about 6 months, and all is good. So that's all I can tell you is it may be refrigerant that's low, and the best way to check that is with external, not refrigerator thermometers. And now I still have the problem of my ice clumping together, so I have to open it up and use a chopstick to break it up. But better than no ice at all. Good luck.